This enhancement allows you to create an external copy geometry feature referencing a component from an assembly in a user-defined or automatic representation. During the redefinition of this external copy geometry feature, only the required objects in the reference path of the target are retrieved into session. If required, additional components can be loaded by selection from the secondary model tree. This enhancement allows you to efficiently reference components from larger assemblies, and during redefinition it enables a faster editing with less data to retrieve.